Hi, today we're going to be exploring the Enigma NMS Performance Dashboard. Performance Dashboard is one of the most important screens of our solution, and basically it is a summary of all most critical current alarms and monitor statistics. It represents the highest, it shows the highest node-specific statistics, highest interface-specific statistics, highest environment monitor statistics. And also, default view would contain the node alarms. These are the nodes which are currently down. Monitored interfaces alarms, the monitored interfaces which are currently down, and also environment monitor alarms. These are the MIBO IDs which currently breach the threshold, and we just made a typo there. All right. The performance dashboard has got many filtering and customization options, which we're going to show you in a second. And also, once you customize your performance dashboard the way how you want it, you can save it as your favorite, so it can be called from anywhere within the system from any screen. Okay, let's go to our Enigma NMS. That's the main menu. Performance dashboard can be accessed through alarms performance dashboard link or top stats performance dashboard link. So let's go to alarms performance dashboard. As you see, we have quite a few graphs showing on this page. The first row is node-specific statistics. These are the top ones. So top CPU, top memory, packet loss, ping response time, and temperature. Okay, then we have next row is the top interface statistics. In this particular instance, we have broadcast, discarded packets, errors, queue drops, cost class utilization, utilization bits per second, which is percentage, and packets per second. We would like to point out that the errors, queue drops, cost class drops, and also discarded packets, all of these statistics are enabled only on interfaces which are actually experiencing these conditions. So if 99% of your interfaces are error-free, they will not be graphed because there is no point in graphing zeros. But if clean interface started generating errors, it will be picked up by Enigma within less than 30 minutes, and errors will start being collected and graphed. Okay, the rows below are the top environment monitor stats, and this could be really anything, including the integers and the strings. Currently, it's a CPU, fixed disk, interface status, RAM, temperature, various types of statistics. And by default, the filtering options and customization options are actually collapsed, but we can get them displayed by clicking on Show Filters. There you go. Very comprehensive set of filtering and customization options. You can filter based on client, cluster. Cluster is a way of grouping various objects together. Very sort of customized. You can group anything with anything. Device types, model, vendor, sites, and those could be multiple sites, nodes, and plus you can use various regular expressions to control what is displayed. That applies to the node name, patterns, and site name. Interface filters include speed, duplex, type, MPU, cost statistics, outages, and also we can control the size of our graphs, the graph resolution here. We can also use the connected telco services types as a filtering option. We can distinguish between monitored and all interfaces. We can look at data average, real time, 5 minute, 30 minutes, and so forth. And also we can control what is actually displayed. These are all performance monitoring categories which are currently displayed. Okay, these are the alarm types: nodes down interface, breached environment monitor thresholds, and also we can control within the environment monitor, we can control what to display, and we can control number of rows. Let us show you. So we have graphs at the top, various types of graphs, and here they are. So these graphs here. Okay. But also we have the node alarms. These are the nodes which are currently down. We have monitored interfaces alarms. The interfaces shows the interfaces which are currently down, and environment monitor statistics which currently breach their thresholds. And here they are. So we have 15 node alarms. So we have 15 nodes down. Here they are. Shows what it is, the status is. We also just can work out the root cause because we know how all the nodes connected together from physical topology point of view. We have 3 monitor interfaces alarms, and we have 12 environment monitor alarms. That's high CPU or temperature or fixed disk running out of space or any of that. So let's give you an example. Let's look at the for example, we would like to make that customize the performance dashboard to be site specific. So we pick up our site, demo data center, and we refresh the page. And right now we see that we have the see selected site details. That's where it is basically, and all statistics are going to be for all nodes which are present at that particular site. And we can see exactly, we can go to the site view and we can see exactly what's on that site. Here is the viewing site. That's our site, and this is connected telco services, and these are the all nodes along with their main attribute displayed in the table below. We can do the same for for the for particular node. Let's pick particular node. For example, we pull that lab switch. So we have that lab switch selected. Yeah. So this is the selected node switch. That's the lab switch 3560 from Cisco. That's basic, the main attributes of that switch. And of course, we can jump straight to the node view to see all attributes for the node view for that particular node. And that's very comprehensive. You can see a lot here. And that's including the things like installed modules and Cisco stack and power supplies and fan statuses and voltages and temperature if they're available. As you see, nothing else been displayed, which is not this particular node specific. Okay, so we have CPU utilization, memory, and pin response time in and out of that box. We don't see the packet loss because packet loss has not been registered for that particular node, and this is the top stats for that particular node. So as you see, the performance dashboard is very, very powerful tool which allows you to have a quick and comprehensive at the same time visibility into node or interface or node specific statistics. If you have a problem at that particular site, it would be just a matter of finding the site you are potentially having problem with and going to the dashboard for that particular site, which is available. The link to the dashboard available at the top of the site is right there. So we're looking at the site, which is demo data center, and we can click on that and we're going to see exactly this. So this way we're going to see everything, all the top errors. If any of the links for all nodes at that particular site is generating errors, what is the highest broadcast, queue drops, and costs, and a lot of statistics there. So it is really, really very useful tool for troubleshooting. And of course, you can collapse the filters, and you can save that that particular view as your favorite. So let's call it demo site, demo data center site dashboard. Alright, so my favorite has been added, and we can just go to the main menu, in fact to any other screen, and we go to my favorite, and this is the my favorite link we have created. So if we click on it, we'll see that the demo site has been selected here, and this is all statistics for everything at that particular site. And again, we can customize it further. So this is, we have the demo data center site selected. Well, that's about it for now, and thank you very much for your time.